Montessori Institute Prague organizes many international events such as workshops, assistance and diploma courses, congresses and conferences. We now invite you to come for an adolescent workshop led by Jenny Hoglund from Sweden. Jenny is an AMI 6-12 and adolescent trainer, and she has taught in elementary and adolescent classrooms for over 23 years. The workshop will be held in a real-life adolescent environment in an international boarding school near Prague. It will be hosted by adolescent students themselves. The workshop will focus on Montessori theory and methodology for working with adolescents from age 12 to 18. You will spend all these days with adolescents, seeing them work and study. You will also have an opportunity to speak to them directly, ask questions that you may have during the workshop. Please make sure there's place for you at the workshop and register before end of April. You will find all the essential information at www.amiprague.cz. We look forward to seeing you in Prague at Mozaika Mnichovice, May 16th through 19th. Come, it'll be fun!